Google search engine staff need like remedial, elementary, fundamental education in basic English language use. Who knows what they're doing in French and Spanish and Italian and who knows what other languages, but this happens all the time. What day did Joan Baez sing Joe Hill at Woodstock? Because I was just curious because I got there on Saturday morning, so I didn't hear any of the singers, performers for the first day, which is Friday. And I don't remember her singing Joe Hill, so I might have missed it. But then again, maybe I was asleep. It says started at 1:30 a.m. Google's search engine shows me in a mix of red and blue type. Are you looking for what day did Joan Baez song Joe Hill at Woodstock? What kind of English is that? My junior high school English teacher, Mr. James McDermott, would give that probably a D or an F, like flunk it. Just awful English, just ridiculous.